Hi, my name is Nathan Davis and I am your True Roofing Sales Advisor. Here at True, my job is to take care of the customer 100% from start to finish with any of their roofing needs that they see they need answers to. I look at customers' roof, evaluate it for damage. We go over together the shingle selection process, see what matches the best with paint. Being a resident of Polk County, I make sure that I take care of my community the best way that I can. Working at True gives me job security and allows me to take care of my family the best way that I see fit. I'm completely aware that the roof is the biggest expense that you will never want to spend. I want people to feel comfortable that they got the best roof possible that's going to take care of their home. I've been in roofing sales for a little over 8 years, and I'm very confident in my abilities to help you, the customer, pick out the roof that's going to help protect your home the best. And my name is Nathan, your True Roofing Sales Advisor.